Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. I know I did. I went to basketball games, baseball games. My kids had me running all over the place. It was exhausting, but I'm glad to be back home and crafting today. I did run into Michael's and I wanted to share with you what I picked up. Just a few things, but I thought I'd come on and quickly share. They had some of the Christmas stuff out and I saw this really pretty embossing folder. It's an embossing folder and clear stamps, and I just really liked this particular one. I'll go ahead and open it up so that you can see it, but it has these stamps and it looks like two embossing folders. So here is the stamp set right here, which is really nice. It says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and then Season's Greetings. And then it came with this embossing folder right here, which I absolutely love. And then you can stamp the sentiment in the middle. How pretty is that? So I'm gonna play with this. This will be a quick, easy Christmas card. And then it also came with this really pretty embossing folder as well. And it embosses this Christmas tree. So this is a really fun set. It was only $5 and I used a 50% off coupon, so I got it for $2.50. So great deal there. I did get some crinkle shed for my boo baskets. I'm going to be putting my baskets together today so I can get them out to my neighbors. And the Halloween stuff was 50% off, and I picked up these boots, these witch boots, just for Halloween decor. I'm sorry for the glare, it's really bright, but I had been eyeing these and I kind of have like a witch theme in my kitchen, so that's why I picked these up and I just love them. And I love the black glitter on the toes, and I just thought I would come on and share. I should have bought them over the weekend. It even has like a little spider web on the side of the boot. Isn't that super cute? I love that. Yeah, I've been eyeing these and I should have picked them up over the weekend. I think the Halloween stuff was 60% off plus the 20, but completely missed that, but that's okay. But I'm happy I picked them up because that was the last one in my store. And then last but not least, I did get 2 more Hot Buy paper pads, and I wanted to come on and share with you because I kind of missed these, and I saw several different people posting on Instagram that they had found these Hot Buys, and I said, oh my gosh, I completely overlooked these Hot Buys, and they match perfectly with the Hot Buy paper pads that I picked up. So there's Winter Whites, in case you haven't seen it, but it's really light pastel colors, and it's really pretty. There's light pinks and peaches, and so this will work really well with what I had already picked up. And then I also picked up the festive pinks, which is like rose color and pinks, and I'll do a quick flip through so you can just see what it looks like. But you get several sheets of each one, and there was no additional 20% off today, but I went ahead and picked it up. It was still 70% off, so I think it made it $6. So anyway, that is my quick Michael's haul. Just wanted to come on and share. I will be back with more videos this week. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.